welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm gonna unbox this Haldiram Gulab Jamun. So what it is actually, it's soft cottage cheese dumplings with cardamom flavored sugar syrup. So this is how it's made and the pack size is 1 kg. Apart from that, all the nutritional information has been mentioned over here, and earlier it used to contain 12, yeah, the number of pieces are 12. So let's not waste much time and open it. Before that, I want to tell you Haldiram is a brand well known and it's an Indian brand. So let's open it. You just need to pull it up and then pull it out. Oh my god, it's not open yet. Yes, like this. Wow, it's looking like a flower, the shape of it. So I'm gonna take one out of it and put it in a bowl. It's looking yum. See how beautiful it's looking. Let me cut it. Very soft. Loved it. I'm gonna have a bite. I'm a huge fan of Haldiram products. Guys, it's yum. Go and try them. It's really tasty. Do not forget to see this Haldiram before purchasing these Gulab Jamuns. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more my videos. One more thing I want to tell you, it costed me around $4.